Hi guys, this is Shweta from English Wise. We are yet back another with one of our successful students, Sohan, with us. Sohan recently sat for his exam and boosted his desired score for 42 for his student visa extension for cookery course. So congratulations, Sohan, first of all. So let's ask Sohan what were the reasons of getting his desired score in such a less span of time. He was with us for only 12 days, so not even 2 weeks exactly. So let's share his experience and his journey with us at English Wise, and all yours, Sohan. So how was your experience?
My experience was very amazing. I can't believe how I get my score. It was only 2 weeks. When I gave last time exam, I got only 32. But here, their all staff members are very cooperative. He helps me to achieve my desired score. Now I get 48 marks for my visa extent.
Yeah, so overall it was 48.
Yeah,
so
48.
I think your listening, reading, and your writing are all 46 above.
Yeah.
And your speaking is 57.
Yeah, last time I got only 24.
You got 24
It's
in
all about for
speaking.
you.
Okay. So it's like 24 in speaking you got.
Yeah.
So 24 to 57, that's a really huge jump, like 6 bands. Like
Yeah.
it's a huge jump that you made. So what helped you like really to improve in speaking? Like,
It's all about from you.
okay. So you were attending lab sessions?
Yeah, I attend daily only 2 hours.
2 hours
Yeah.
per day. Yeah, I think your schedule was very tight as well, and you
Yeah.
were like, I can come only 2 hours.
Yes.
But in 2 hours, naturally, you improved a lot in 12 days. This is like commendable from 24 to 57. Like, nice. And then, what were the areas that you were struggling in, so on?
In reading, it's were very tough for me.
No, reading blanks.
Yeah.
Okay, so blanks were very like hard for you. So
Yes.
what did you actually do? Like,
I can't believe it.
okay, so did you use any strategy or you just simply do guessing? Because we normally suggest like if you're aiming for 6, so guessing can work sometimes.
Something guessing and something I just feel.
Okay, so something like you just understood and then
Yeah.
filled it, and few guessing as well.
Yeah.
Yeah, of course, if you're aiming for less than 6, you definitely guessing can give you points, because always trust your first instinct in the blanks. So once you have put something in the blank space, please do not
I
take
didn't
it off.
attend any reading class in here.
Oh, no reading class. Okay. So without reading class, you are in reading, I think you have got 46.
46.
Yeah. So without any practice of reading. Yeah, of course, because I just really want to mark a very important point over here, guys. Reading section, also read alouds contribute a lot. So as Sohan speaking is 57, that means he might have worked really well on his read alouds. Yeah?
Yeah.
So if you work upon read alouds better and few guessing of your blanks here and there, definitely you can get your score for 6. But yes, more than 6, you really need to work hard upon it, of course. So guessing can give you points. So any other area that you were struggling in? Repeat sentences, dictations?
No.
They were pretty good for
Yeah,
you?
very good.
Okay, so how was your exam experience? Because I'm very excited to know, like, how did you like approach to the questions? What did you do in the exam? Because you were very nervous.
Yeah, before I'm very nervous.
Yeah.
But when I gave exam, I'm very happy because that's not too much tough.
Yeah, so it's
easy
easier.
for me. Yeah.
Yeah, so it's easier. Did you give any mock test over here, Sohan?
No.
No, just directly for the exam.
Yeah.
12 days.
Yeah.
That's really nice. So do you used to study back home?
Sometimes.
Sometimes. Because I still remember you told like, ma'am, I really finished like late in the night, around 11 or 12ish.
12 o'clock.
12 o'clock, yeah. So no energy after 12 o'clock. Of course, I understand that. And your job used to start like 12 o'clock the
12
next day.
o'clock. Yeah.
So you used to come only 10 to 12.
Yeah.
I still remember that. So yeah, so in 2 hours this magic happened for you. So I'm really glad, and hearty congratulations to you for your visa extension as well.
Thank you.
Yeah. So any last moment tips, Sohan, you would like to give to the viewers?
Yeah, I recommend every student who's struggling to achieve their goals, please come once they're here and to achieve their goals. Thank you.
Yeah. So thank you very much, Sohan, for a lovely feedback and for being with us, and all the very best for your future endeavors. And yes, guys, make sure you keep practicing in your PTE. Of course, quality matters, quantity doesn't matter. So if you study for 2 hours but in a nice manner, that will solve your job and your purpose of getting your desired score. See you in the next video. We'll be back soon with yet another successful student. Thank you very much. All the best with your PTE. Keep practicing.
Thank you.